Hello friends, those who already know about the Tranila plan or have visited the website but still have doubts. This video will clear up those doubts. Today, I will explain the plan in short. In Tranila, you can activate your ID with just 500 rupees and get a daily 3% ROI for 50 days. So friends, if you invest 500, you will get 750. Now, if you refer someone to this plan, you will get 5% on the first level, 4% on the second level, 3% on the third level, 2% on the fourth level, 1% on the fifth level, and 0.1% from the sixth level onwards. Note that the strength of this plan is that even if someone joins at the 100th level, you will still get income. If you join 7 people within 24 hours, you will get a special bonus of 500. Remember, it is necessary to retop up after getting 135% ROI. Otherwise, you will get the remaining 15%. The total capping in the company is 6 times, meaning 3000 if you earn that much. You need to retop up. The company has given you a great option of booster ROI, which means if you do more directs in 5 days, you can get ROI faster. You can check the booster ROI chart on the website. The company has announced an amazing reward of an iPhone, which you will get if your total business is 16 lakhs in 2 legs, meaning 8 lakhs in one direct and 8 lakhs in the second direct. This offer is valid till August 31st. Now, I want to tell you some terms and conditions to get income from each level. You need to do at least one direct. After doing a minimum of 10 directs, your unlimited level will be opened. Remember, each level required one direct till 10th level. You can withdraw money at any time, but if you withdraw on Monday, you will get the withdrawal on Tuesday. If you withdraw on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, the withdrawal will be processed on Monday. You can get deposit payment in the company's bank account, Tron or USDT, but the withdrawal option is only through a bank account. If you withdraw, you will be charged 10% admin charges. And if you do an internal fund transfer, you will get charged 5%. You can do a maximum of 3 top-ups on one ID, and after 5 days of your third top-up, you can top up again. The time limit for booster ROI is 5 days, meaning you will get ROI according to the directs you do within 5 days of top up. I hope I have explained the plan in a short time. Thank you.